Welcome to online lecture series. This is Dr. K. Ramesh, Professor of Mathematics, Indian Institute of Engineering and Technology, Vijayanagaram. Today's our topic is multiple integrals revision topic, lecture 11, continuation. Subtopic is change of variables. We have to change our Cartesian variables xy into polar coordinates r theta. What is the already we know the relation between Cartesian coordinates and polar coordinates in previous lectures. Observe those lectures and observe here also how many types of change of variables. 3 types. First one is polar coordinates. Represents double integral. X is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, dx dy is equal to r dr d theta. X square plus y square is equal to r square. Second one, cylindrical coordinates represents triple integral. X is equal to rho cos phi, y is equal to rho sin phi, z is equal to z. 3 variables are there, rho phi z. X square plus y square is equal to rho square. Dx dy dz becomes rho d rho d phi dz. This is rho. Third one, spherical polar coordinates, that is, represents a triple integral. X is equal to r sin theta cos phi, y is equal to r sin theta sin phi, z is equal to r cos theta. Dx dy dz becomes r square sin theta dr d theta d phi. X square plus y square plus z square is nothing but r square. So this one very important. Note down. Problem 26. Evaluate integral 0 to infinity e power minus of x square plus y square dx dy by changing to polar coordinates. Look here. Observing here, lower and upper integrals are constants. So these are x limits, these are y limits. So your solution, you write first x limits are x is equal to 0, x tends to infinity. Don't write is equal to infinity. So tends to infinity. Y limits are y is equal to 0, y tends to infinity. Okay. Now here x starts from 0, y starts from 0. That represents x is positive, y is positive. That represents first quadrant. So this is x, y. X 0 to infinity, y 0 to infinity. So this is our dotted region. So x tends to 0 to infinity, y tends to 0 to infinity. This is the region, first quadrant. We have to write r limits, theta limits for this region only. Okay. Using polar coordinates, x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, x square plus y square is equal to r square, dx dy is equal to r dr d theta. Now R limits, take from origin to straight like this, from origin. Here R is equal to 0, here R tends to infinity. X tends to infinity, y tends to infinity. So R tends to infinity, 0 to infinity. Theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. So R limits R is equal to 0, R tends to infinity. Theta limits R, theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to pi by 2. Now you write your I is equal to integral. First write theta limits 0 to pi by 2. Next you write R limits 0 to infinity e power infinity. E power, look here, x square plus y square, that is r square. So minus x square plus y square is there, e power minus r square. Dx dy r dr d theta. We have to integrate first with respect to r. First integrate with respect to r and then integrate with respect to theta. Now put r square is equal to t. R square derivative 2r dr is equal to dt. From this r dr is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Okay, lower limit change. Look here, r is equal to 0. R is equal to 0. This implies R0 means T0. 0 square, 0. So T0, upper limit change. R tends to infinity implies automatically T tends to infinity. Note down. Therefore, I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2, 0 to infinity, e power minus r square is t. So, e power minus t, your dr is dt by 2, 1 by 2 dt d theta. Common 1 by 2, 0 to pi by 2, e power minus t integration minus e power minus t, 0 to infinity d theta. Minus e power upper limit, instead of t you write infinity, e power minus infinity minus e power 0. What is e power minus infinity? 1 by e power infinity, 1 by infinity is equal to 0. E power minus infinity is always 0. 0 minus e power 0, 1. So minus or minus plus d theta. Into d theta, theta 0 to pi by 2, 1 by 2 into upper limit minus lower limit, pi by 2 minus 0. So pi by 2 into 1 by 2, pi by 4. Note down. Welcome to problem 27. Evaluate get 0 to 1, get 0 to root over 1 minus y square, x square plus y square dx dy by changing to polar coordinates. So write your solution. I is equal to 0 to 1 into 0 to root of 1 minus y square, x square plus y square dx dy. Here y appears. Two variables are there, x, y. Y appears. So first we have to integrate with respect to x. Dx is there, next dy is there. So correct order. These are x limits, these are y limits. X limits are x is equal to 0, x is equal to root of 1 minus y square, squaring on both sides. X square is equal to 1 minus y square. x square plus y square is equal to 1. A circle with center 0, 0 and radius 1. Already you know these things. Y limits are y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. Y limits. Here x limit starts from 0, y limit starts from 0. So beginning values of x comma y are zeros. So x, that means 0 to something means positive. 0 to something means positive. So x positive, y positive represents in circle positive quadrant circle is this one. We have to write r limits, theta limits for this dotted region only. So r limits, take straight passing through origin. Here r is equal to 0, r is equal to 1 means radius. Whatever the radius, here r radius is 1. In some circles radius is a, in some circles radius is 5. Theta limits to cover the region, this region, theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. Theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. So using polar coordinates, x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. dx dy is equal to r dr d theta. R dr d theta. X square plus y square is equal to r square. Okay. R limits r is equal to 0, comma r is equal to 1. Theta limits r, theta is equal to 0, comma theta is equal to pi by 2. Therefore I is equal to, first we write theta limits, next we write r limits. Here x square plus y square is r square, dx dy is r dr d theta. R dr d theta. Into 0 to pi by 2, 0 to 1, r cube dr. Next with respect to theta. What is r cube integration? R cube integration r power 4 by 4. 0 to 1 d theta. 0 to pi by 2. Substituting upper limit, instead of r you write 1. 1 by 4 minus 0, that is 1 by 4. The common 1 by 4. Integral d theta is theta. 0 to pi by 2. 1 by 4 into pi by 2 minus 0, upper limit minus lower limit. 1 by 4 into pi by 2. So pi by 8. Pi by 8. Note down. Welcome to problem 28. Evaluate integral 0 to 2, integral 0 to root over 2x by x square, x by x square plus y square dx dy by changing to polar coordinates. So solution is, write I is equal to integral 0 to 2, integral 0 to root over 2x minus x square. Xy variables, here x appears. So first we have to integrate with respect to y. This is not correct order. This is correct order. dy dx. Y limits, x limits. X limits are x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. Y limits are y is equal to 0, y is equal to root over 2x minus x square. Squaring on both sides, y square is equal to x minus x square. X square plus y square minus 2x is equal to 0 is a circle with center C 1 0, radius 1. How to get this? How it is A circle with center 1 0, radius 1. Look here, you write in observation. This can be written as x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 1. X square minus 2x plus 1, 1 cancel, we get plus y square is equal to 0. Same circle. X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 0. Y minus 0 whole square is equal to 1 square. So center is 1 0, radius 1. Okay. You draw the circle with center 1 0. This is 2 0, this is 0 0. This is 0 0. 1 0 2 0. This is center of the circle. Here x starts from 0, y starts from 0. So represents positive quadrant. So dotted region is positive quadrant region. Okay. Now we have to use polar coordinates. Using polar coordinates. Using polar coordinates. X is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, x square plus y square is equal to r square. Dx dy is equal to r dr d theta. Now we have to obtain r limits, theta limits. R limits, theta limits. How to get r limits? Here r is equal to 0, r is equal to 2 cos theta. How it is? Here x square plus y square minus 2x. This is the circle equation in Cartesian coordinates. From this, x square plus y square is equal to 2x. So x square plus y square means r square. R square is equal to 2 into x means r cos theta. This implies r cancel, we get r is equal to 2 cos theta. On the circle, r is equal to 2 cos theta. So r limits are r is equal to 0, r is equal to 2 cos theta. Theta limits are, look here, moving the strip to cover the positive region, positive quadrant region. Theta is 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. Theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, I is equal to substituting in the above integral 0 to pi by 2, integral 0 to 2 cos theta, x by means r cos theta by x square plus y square r square, dx dy r dr d theta, r dr d theta. R square cancel. Cos with respect to r, first we have to integrate with respect to r. So with respect to cos theta constant, integral 0 to pi by 2 cos theta, integral dr r 0 to 2 cos theta d theta. Integral 0 to pi by 2, substituting upper limit 2 cos theta, 0 get 0, 2 cos theta to cos theta, 2 cos square theta d theta, common 2, 0 to pi by 2 cos square theta d theta is equal to 2 into, use Wallis formula, n is even, n minus 1, 1 by 2. Already you know how to use Wallis formula. So many times I explained you. 2 cancel, we get pi by 2. Note down.